Good girl.
Amelia. Amelia. Amelia.
Did you have a nice walk this afternoon?
Amelia? Amelia. Amelia. What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing, Amelia? More pooping, forcing grunts now.
No, she pooped already.
Amelia. I'm saying you can feel her pushing and grunting.
She's trying to fart, I think.
Yeah. You're videoing our poor child's farting.
Tick tock, like a cuckoo clock. There. That's a nice smell. Oh.
Go get us wine.